Hello beautiful, welcome back. Today I'm going to try out SHEGLAM makeup. This is Shein makeup brand, and oh my god, I bought a lot of products from them. Actually, I bought enough products to do a full face of SHEGLAM makeup. So this is what I'm going to do in today's video. This is the makeup look I achieved. I am super impressed. I'm not gonna say much because I want you to watch the video, but I have to say that everything is super affordable. I didn't expect it this quality. I hate that it took almost 4 weeks to arrive, but also I love that they give me 200 points because of the shipping. Like, they already knew that it will take a little bit longer. So that's that on that. I don't know what else to say other than I'm super impressed. Like, mind-blowing. Anyway, if you guys want to see all these products in action, then keep on watching. First, I'm going to start with eyebrow pencil because this is not the vibe we are going for. So this is the skinny brow pencil. They do have the triangle shape, but I'm not a fan of that shape. I bought the shade dark brown, very skinny, which I really like because you can be very precise. So I'm going to draw my eyebrows very quick. And another thing that I don't like about SHEGLAM makeup is that their color range sucks. Completely sucks in every category, like foundation, concealer, it sucks. Brow pencil, because they have like 5 colors, and we all know that's not the vibe when it comes to color range in makeup. So Shein, you better work. I really like how creamy this is. So next I'm going to go with the eyeshadow palette because I don't know if I'm going to get any fallouts from this, and I don't want that on my foundation or concealer and all that stuff. And also I did bought some very detailed small brushes. Actually, these are for nails, but you can use them however your heart desire. This is the eyeshadow palette. Absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. The colors are so pretty. I did swatch 2 colors yesterday. I don't know what makeup look I'm going to create with this eyeshadow palette, but I'm going to move very fast because I'm assuming this video is going to be long. So I'm going to point out what shade I'm using. I'm not gonna talk unless something goes bad, you know, like they are skipping, they are not pigmented or whatever, but I've heard good things about the formula. Next I'm going to prep my lids with their concealer, or should I use my... I think it's better to use my eye primer to give it a fair shot. So I'm going to skip the concealer. I'm going to use it under my eyes, but because I'm a nice girl, okay, I'm going to use my Anastasia eye primer. So I'm going to prep my lids and I'm going to be right back. Okay, I have to zoom you in. I am super impressed. It looks a little bit darker, but I guess I need to build this a little bit more. What? This formula reminds me so much of the ColourPop formula, Focallure, and also Beauty Bay eyeshadows. Okay, I don't know, I don't think I like this Nowhere shade. It's beautiful, but it doesn't blend well with the first color, and I think we have a situation. You see, like it doesn't want to blend. Okay, next I'm going to take one of these brushes and I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to take this one. Ooh, okay. The green shimmer, I'm not really a fan of that, and I feel like it has glitters in it. I don't know, but it went very nice, so I'm going to go with the glitter on top of that. I mean, this is not glitter, this is jelly glitter, okay? And it looks like this, very similar with the jelly match shadows from Colourpop. Alright, I just finished my other eye, and I have to say that I did had some fallout on my face, mostly from the shimmers. I didn't saw any major fallout from the mattes. Now I'm going to do my face makeup. I'm going to finish the eyes after I'm done with concealer and foundation. And also I bought some sponges. I'm going to wet them in a second. I mean, I'm going to use only one. They look like this. So cute, so pretty. Okay, so this got huge actually. Wow, you see how big this is? Feels very similar to the Real Techniques one, but it's no. You cannot fool me, Shein, you know? I'm a huge fan of the Real Techniques. Okay, for foundation I got this Silky Ultra Wear Foundation Essence Like Light. They do have another one, but as I said, the color range sucks. They had like 5 shades available for the other foundation, so I went instead with this one. This is in the shade 02 Beige. I hope I nailed it with the shade. Oh, it looks kinda thick. It smells like skincare. Not bad. It feels very moussey almost. Okay, actually the coverage is medium, a good medium to almost full coverage. Like, I didn't expected this. This reminds me of the Maybelline Urban Cover foundation. Very similar to that one. And as you can see, it's pretty dewy on my face. And I like that because I have dry skin. The coverage is so nice. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see better, but wow, you see that glow? This is so nice. It feels just a little bit tacky even though it looks very dewy. I feel like you can leave it like this if you don't want to set it with a setting powder. Next I'm going to go with cream contour. This is the soft shape contour stick in the shade Espresso. So it has a brush on the other side. I'm going to use this brush to see how it feels. I don't like how this smells. It has a strong waxy scent, but in a bad way. I hope it won't lift the foundation because I really hate when that happens. Okay, the brush is not bad. It feels a little bit stiff. It looks so nice. It didn't mess with the foundation, which I really like. Okay, extremely impressed with this contour stick. Like, what? Next I'm going to go with concealer, and I got the creamy concealer in the shade 02 Light. Blurs the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles, improves the look of the skin. Okay, let's see that. It doesn't smell. Oh, okay. It looks very dewy. The coverage is very nice. Again, it doesn't say the coverage, but it looks like medium coverage to me. Yo, I'm blown away by the coverage of this concealer and the fact that it doesn't gather into my wrinkles. Like, I could totally leave it like this without setting it. Oh my god, the Clear and Bright Liquid Blush highlight, because I guess they have more shades, so you can use it as a highlight too. This is in the shade Dolce Vita. Actually, the packaging of this one is not my favorite. Like, I don't think I like this. It's very pigmented, but I hope it blends very easy. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very pigmented. So I'm going to put a little bit more Oh, it has shimmers. Oh, why did I thought this is matte? Yeah, you can see the shimmers. I hope it's not lifting the other products. No. Looks nice on camera. I went a little bit crazy. Let me blend it with my sponge. I feel like you have to go with a tiny bit and then blend it out, and if you feel like you need to build this, go with more because it's crazy pigmented and a little bit goes a long way. On my cheeks it looks very natural. You can't see the shimmers, they are barely there. It gives my face, you know, that natural healthy luminosity glow, whatever. I'm sorry I judged you, but I do like it. Next I'm going to go with setting powder, and actually I bought two of them because they are super cheap. So I bought this one. This is the Natural Color makeup powder in the shade Natural Color. It looks more like high-end to me than Shein makeup, and it comes with a puff. Are you kidding me? Look at this, you guys. It has a net. And then I got the Perfect Setting Powder, Light and Delicate. This is in the shade Natural. This is a bit darker for me. I'm not gonna use this one. I'm going to go with the first one. So I'm going to use my brush. I don't really use the puffs. I hope it's not too dark. Okay, I definitely like it when it's dewy, but I cannot wear a dewy concealer because this concealer, I'm telling you, is the bomb.com. I don't see the smoothing or the blurring, minimizing the appearance of pores. I don't see that. But again, I don't have large pores. I just have fine lines and wrinkles. This is actually very good, and the packaging looks stunning. The packaging on everything looks stunning. Next I have bronzer, highlight and blush. And actually I couldn't find any bronzer because when I placed my order, most of their makeup, it was sold out. So I bought whatever I could find. So I bought two blushes, but I went with a darker one so I can use it as a bronzer. But it kind of has shimmers in it and I'm not really a fan. The packaging screams Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to go with a tiny bit and see how that goes.